Why are microgrids important for off-grid energy? Imagine a small community in a remote mountain area where connecting to the main power grid is impossible or too costly. How do they get reliable electricity? That's where microgrids come into play. Microgrids are small local power systems that can produce, store, and distribute electricity independently. They are made up of renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines, along with batteries and control systems. These systems can run into modes: connected to the main grid or completely separate, which is called island mode. In off-grid situations, island mode is essential because there is no main grid to relying on. Microgrids help by generating power close to where it is used, which cuts down on energy losses that happen when electricity travels long distances. Normally, transmitting power over long lines can lose between 8 and 15% of energy, but microgrids avoid this by local generation. They also make power more reliable because, if something goes wrong with the main grid, the microgrid can keep running on its own. This is especially important in remote areas, military bases, or disaster zones where power outages can be dangerous or costly. Microgrids are great at integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which are often plentiful in isolated locations. When paired with batteries, they can store excess energy 4 times when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing, ensuring a steady supply. Advanced control systems help manage how much power is generated, stored, and used, making sure the demand is always met efficiently. These systems can forecast energy needs and adjust accordingly, which is vital when there's no external support. Microgrids are also flexible and scalable. They can be small enough to power a single building or large enough to serve an entire community. This makes them adaptable to different needs and resources. Economically, microgrids can lower costs by reducing reliance on diesel generators, which are expensive and polluting. They also open up opportunities for local energy production, creating jobs and supporting local economies. From an engineering perspective, microgrids include layered control systems that keep voltage and frequency stable, ensuring the power quality stays high. In practical terms, they are used in remote villages, research stations, military bases, and emergency response sites. Overall, microgrids are a smart way to bring reliable, clean, and affordable energy to places that need it most, making off-grid living safer and more sustainable.